How to add family on Tidal. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can add family members to your Tidal account. To add family members to Tidal subscription, create a Tidal family plan. You need to be a primary account holder. So here's how you can set up. For that, you need to use or log in into your Tidal account. So type in tidal.com and it's going to take you to the official web page. On this page, click on the tab bar icon located right on top and click on login, which is right at the bottom. After you're logged into your account, tap on my collection or similar option at the bottom of the screen. In the my collection section, you should find an option for settings or account. In the account settings, look for an option like subscription or manage subscription. Choose Tidal family as your subscription type. After upgrading to a Tidal family plan, you should see an option to invite a family member. Tap the link or tap on the invite link or add family member link. Enter the email address of the family that you want to be added on Tidal. They will receive invitation to join your Tidal plan. Invitation is only going to be accessible to 30 days. After that, it's going to expire, and do the same procedure, that is send them the new link, and that is how you can add family members to your Tidal account. In this way, you can add family members to your Tidal account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.